over here you can see that I have this blog page right here, and in the blog page you can see that the blogger logo shows up. If I want to go around and use my own logo over there, then I can use a feature called Favicon. So to do that, you need to go around onto your dashboard, your Blogger dashboard, and then go around over here under settings. So once you go under settings right here, you can see that Favicon is an option over here. You can go around and click, and what happens is that it allows you to open up to add in a favicon. I already have mine over here, as you can see, but it doesn't show up right here. That is because I'm using my own user ID to access the blog. Let me just go around and remove this right here. So if you haven't uploaded any, then you'll see it like this. So now what you need to do is you need to go around and click on choose file. And then what you need to do is you need to choose an image right here and click on open. But this image does not meet the criteria of being less than 100 KB. So if you were to go around and press open right here, it says the file is too large. Similarly, if the image is not square, then it won't accept that either. The image should be square perfectly, meaning it should be same in height and width. So if I were to go around and right click over here and go to properties for this particular image and then go around under details, you can see that the dimension is 100 by 100 pixel, meaning the width and height of this image is both 100 pixels. So now this is a square image. So I can go around and select it and click on open. And once I do that, you can see that this is what you have. So now I can go around and hit the save button and the favicon will be set. So if I were to go around onto favicon now, you can see that this favicon is there. And if I were to refresh this, you won't see any change over here, as you can see. But if I were to go around and copy this, and then let's say, for example, access an incognito window where I'm not signed in, you will be able to see that logo in a while. So you can see this logo is here now, and this is the TutorTube logo that I uploaded, and it'll show up in your blog. And that is how you can add in favicon to your blogs by using Blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.